Hello everyone, let's introduce myself. My name is Dede Sepiani from EKT 2020A. Traditional approach to the formulation of accounting theory have a depth root in the history of accounting and reflect ongoing effort to understand, development, and perfect how financial data is generated and presented. This approach, which dates data back to the 19th century, focused on methodology and principles that are based on a common practice in the business world and relevant an effort to provide users with relevant, reliable, and understandable financial information. In this case, traditional approach often use the basic of logic and experience development theory, the suite participle needs. Traditional approach in accounting theory general center or four main methods, namely the deduction approach including approach, empirical approach and pragmatic approach. Our approach has characteristics and advances the help enrich the overall conceptual framework. The accounting theory in a deduction approach. For example, accounting theory is built of basic principles that are considered universal and unchanged. Meanwhile, in the inductive approach, empirical data is used to develop accounting theories that are widely accepted. The deduction approach is one of the old methods in formulating accounting theory. In this approach, accounting theory is built by drawing conclusions from basic principles that are believed to be universal foundation. Accounting experts who use this approach began the theory formulation process by formulating hypotheses that are based on logical and common sense, as well as on rules that are considered general truth. This deductive approach in the used to create accounting standards that can be applied in various business sectors and in various countries. Two of the main advantages of this approach is its ability to provide clean and concise guidelines for accounting practitioners. In the accounting concept, the deduction approach aims to produce the theory that is normative, meaning this the theory places more emphasis on how it should be rather than how it is. Accounting experts believe the there is a right way of financial reporting, and a deductive approach helps them find the way. However, this approach also has shortcomings, especially because it does not always take into account variation in accounting practice in the field. As a result, accounting theory without a deductive approach are sometimes difficult to apply universal because there are differences in business practice between country and between industry. The inductive approach, on the other hand, offers the opposite approach. In the approach, accounting theory is built through observation of parties that occur in the real world. Empirical data and practical experience from accountants are used as a basis for completing accounting theories that are considered relevant and accurate. This indeed this inducative approach allows flexibility in theory formulation because the theory is based on real phenomena that can change over time. One of the advantages of this approach is it is ability to adapt to current development and change in the business world. However, the inducative approach also has limitation because the resulting theory is based on empirical data. The resultant to be described and cannot always be applied in every situation. Additionally, an inclusive approach often takes long because it involves more in-depth research and data analysis. However, the inclusive approach remains a very valuable method in formulation of quantum theory, especially because it allows practitioners and academics to understand how a quantum theory can develop based on existing practice. How, However, ethical approach also face challenge in practice. The ethical standard applied in accounting often vary from one country to another. In addition, there are ethical dilemmas faced by accountants, especially when they have to make decisions that might benefit or harm certain parties. However, an ethical approach still makes an important contribution to the formulation of accounting theory, especially in maintaining the credibility of the accounting profession in the age of society. Lastly, the pragmatic approach in a approach the focus on the principle as fullness of accounting theory. The approach viewer accounting theory as a tool that must be applied efficiently in practice. In the case, accounting theory must be able to provide solution to problems faced by practitioners in the real world. The pragmatic approach emphasizes flexibility and adaptability in accounting theory, taking into account the needs of financial information user. This approach is often more flexible than the inducative approach, as it focuses more on what is most active and efficient in a given situation. In the development of accounting theory, therefore, approaches complement each other and create a comprehensive framework. The deductive approach provides a solid logical structure. The inductive approach allows adaptation to change. The ethical approach maintains the integrity of the profession, and the pragmatic approach ensures the accounting theory is relevant and useful to practitioners. These are approaches reflect a growing effort in the accounting world to create theory and are not only scientific but also useful in the business world. The traditional approach to accounting theory allow academy and practitioners to continue to explore how accounting theory can be developed to remain relevant to change time to both the trend to technology relegation and use it. Thank you.